Next up, where's Dr. Jansen, a Tier 6 Modern Warfare 3 Zombies mission. For this, we need to complete an Outlast Contract, obtain Dr. Jansen's tablet, and Exfil. You'll look for the Outlast Contract, which is a little signal dish, get across to it, and do that mission. It's super simple. We'll head across and pick up this mission here, just like that. And now, all we need to do is head across to the next marked point. And once we're here, all we need to do is activate the PND here. This will summon in a whole bunch of zombies. We basically just need to stay alive until this thing's done. Having a pack-a-punched weapon is probably the best thing you could do here, as it's really going to help. 30%, there's practically no zombies coming here. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, well, never mind. You could probably do this with a normal Tier 1 weapon, not even a pack-a-punched gun. Oh no, never mind. Now there's more zombies spawning in. Well, it's not that difficult, I suppose. And there we go. This is complete. Well, that was not difficult at all, actually. Anyways, we'll open up this orb and grab the crystal self-revive. Pretty cool. But you'll see another thing is marked. Heading across to it, this is the tablet. Pick it up. And now all we need to do is Exfil. That's it. We've completed the first 2 marks of this. And mark an Exfil there. Head across to it and GTFO. So marking the next Exfil. Heading straight towards it. With other players there, it should hopefully be a bit easier. In a Tier 2 zone, we should be able to just hop on and leave. Obviously, the only annoying thing would be to die here and lose the item that you need to complete this quest for all over again, and Exfil for all over again. Anyways, wow, that was actually pretty effective. Getting out of here, that's it. We're now done with this mission. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.